I think firstly, thank you, Sangeeta. It's always a pleasure seeing you. Always a pleasure, listening to you speak because you're so cogent and always to the point. Thank you very much for this opportunity. And I'm delighted that FICCI's national president is also from Telangana, and delighted also that FICCI has given us multiple forums and multiple opportunities for the state to interact. In fact, you guys even had conducted your Apex National Executive in Hyderabad in the past, and you had given us an opportunity to present. So thank you. Let me just quickly share a few thoughts, and then maybe we can get into the interactive session, if that's all right.
That's perfect.
All right, fantastic. So firstly, thank you once again for this opportunity to to interact with this very versatile and diverse group of individuals and all the office bearers of FICCI. And as you all know, Telangana has been while being the youngest state in India, with about 6+ years of existence, has been one of the most progressive states with respect to industrialization, with respect to making it easy to do business in the country, in our state, more particularly in our state. In fact, many of Telangana's initiatives have been emulated by other states and even Government of India, in fact, for that matter, with respect to making it easy to do business. In fact, we've said it several times in the past. In fact, I have my Principal Secretary, Jayesh Ranjan, also here, who's participating in the webinar along with me from the government. We've said it multiple times in the past. To attract investments, to create employment, to make it conducive for businesses to thrive in a state and in our country, India, I think it's not just the ease of doing business, where Telangana already excels. Equally important to focus on reducing the cost of doing business and also improving the quality of doing business. These are the three aspects we've focused on in the last 5 years. And we continue to, of course, work on enhancing, continue to work on, augmenting our capabilities, and also continue to engage with the industry and the private sector, industry captains and the private sector at multiple levels to ensure that our thoughts are in sync. With COVID, coming into our lives in early March in Telangana, the first case was detected in early March. And as we speak today, we have 3,000+ cases and about, I think, 2.3% fatalities. I would like to make a few things, on COVID, which I think many of us know. In fact, I think many of us, know as much as Sangeeta does. Sangeeta being healthcare industry captain, of course, she's directly, deeply engaged with medical fraternity, health workers, and she has obviously more information than most of us. But with WhatsApps and social media's advent and intrusion into our lives, I think each of us and our spouses, our children, our friends, our families, everybody is a medical professional now. Everybody's got information on COVID, and everybody believes that what they have is possibly the latest. Let me quickly point out to 2-3 things. We've been diligently adhering to the WHO guidelines and also the ICMR guidelines. Whatever guidelines have come our way from ICMR, the Indian Council for Medical Research, and WHO, we've been following diligently.